Good evening to all my lovely viewers. Today, what we're going to be doing, or rather making, is called grilled mushroom toast. आज हम grilled mushroom toast बनाएंगे. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, as you can see, there's one packet mushroom which I have finely chopped, and I'm going to put it in water and let it remain dipped in water for about half an hour to just clean the mushroom before we proceed ahead with our recipe. When the mushrooms have got cleaned up, and I have put them in water for about half an hour just to clean them up and drain them of the mud or sand or insects or fertilizer effect from them. So now we're going to saute the mushrooms. We're going to take about 2 to 3 spoons of, I'm going to use desi ghee, and then saute the mushrooms along with chopped onions. As you can see, these onions, one tiny onion that I've taken and I have finely chopped it. So we shall saute them, and while we saute these, we will also start preparing the white sauce as well. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये करीबन 2 चम्मच देसी घी है और इसके अंदर मैं प्याज और वो कटा हुआ हमारा जो है मशरूम वो डालूँगी सौटे करने के लिए। ये घी गरम हो चुका है, तो इसके अंदर हम प्याज और मशरूम डाल देते हैं। उसको हम हिलाते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए। As you can see, there is still water and we need to saute the mushroom and the onions for a few minutes more so that the water dries out. Yes, what I would like to mention is that to keep them a bit crisp and standing, the trick is to actually saute these on a high flame. You can do it maybe on a medium, but medium to a high flame and not on a low flame. As you can see, the mushrooms and the onions have got, we've cooked them up a bit, and the water is kind of evaporated, and we will now shift them to a small plate. As you can see, we have moved them to a plate, and now we will get the white sauce ready. As you can see, I have put in 2 tablespoons of desi ghee in this, and 2 tablespoons of maida. I'm going to now mix it together. As you can see, I have put about 3/4 cup of milk in this, and I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to allow it to thicken. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. As you can see, the sauce is ready, and I'm going to switch off the gas now. To this, I'm going to add little less than 1/4 teaspoon of pizza oregano and mix it again. And to this sauce, I'm going to add the saute mushrooms and onions and mix them together. My dear viewers, as you can see, this is a loaf of bread which is homemade and home baked. And what we're going to do now is we're going to cut slices out of this and then apply the mixture, rather the sauce that we have prepared, on each slice. My dear viewers, as you can see, I have sliced the bread and I have 2 slices in front of me. The recipe of this bread, or rather this bread, I shall share with you subsequently. Now what I'm going to do is the sauce that I have prepared, I'm going to apply it on top of this bread slices. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने वो सॉस जो थी हमने तैयार करी वो मैंने ब्रेड के स्लाइसेस पे लगा दी है. एंड व्हाट आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू बी डूइंग इज ग्रेटिंग सम चीज़ ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस. मेरे प्रिय दर्शकों, आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसके ऊपर चीज़ ग्रेट कर दिया है. अब जो हम करने वाले हैं, जो एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ है, इसको हम इसी के ऊपर लगा देंगे जो साइड में गिरा हुआ है. एंड नाउ व्हाट विल डू इज़ विल पुट tomato slices on top of this and then grill them. My dear friends, as you can see, I have put tomato slices on top of the grated cheese, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle these bunch of cilantro leaves, chopped cilantro leaves on top of this before we grill them. As you can see, I have sprinkled the chopped cilantro on top of the you know, tomato slices. And now what we're going to do is we are just going to put both both the slices of bread and grill them in the oven for about 5 minutes. As you can see, I have put them in the oven to grill for about 5 to 7 minutes. My dear friends and my dear viewers, as you can see, we have the toasted bread, or rather the grilled mushroom toast, ready. And I am going to be having these with one chilled glass of this is mango slice, which I really absolutely like. And I hope you also make this and have this as a snack or even as a meal, and it comes out really nice. Thank you.